hygienist. My initial symptoms were a severe neck pain that was chronic, and I was a dental nurse at the time, and by the end of the day it would feel as though somebody was sticking a hot knife into my shoulder. I mentioned this problem to a colleague of mine, and he suggested that I go and speak to Patrick. It was a bit strange because he was an orthodontist and wondered what on earth he had to do with my shoulder, but I was so desperate for any sort of relief I went to see him. Patrick's diagnosis was that I had problems with my temporomandibular joints, caused from a fall about 10 years ago. And he suggested that we placed a splint in my mouth which would separate my jaws and give the jaw joints a chance to heal and get the inflammation down. After 4 to 6 hours of first wearing the splint, the pain started to ease. And that was the first time I'd had some sort of relief from this pain in about 18 months. I wore the splint for about 2 years, and this kept me out of pain. And I had to have surgery to place the discs back on top of the temporomandibular joints, and that was attached to the surrounding ligaments. 6 months after that, we had some orthodontic treatment, which was braces put on the teeth. The pain has completely gone. I mean, I haven't been in pain since wearing the splint, and it's never returned, and I've been pain-free ever since. Patrick's work has changed my life immensely. I'm no longer in chronic pain. I mean, if anybody who's listening to this has been in chronic pain, they'll know how it affects their life. It's extremely debilitating. You know, every day you're suffering from this, and it affects your energy levels and your whole sort of outlook on life. I no longer have that problem at all.